Welcome to this quick guide on deploying and using Apache Answer. Apache Answer is a modern, open-source Q&A platform designed to help communities share knowledge more effectively. Whether you're building an internal support system or a public-facing knowledge base, Answer offers a clean UI and powerful features to foster collaborative problem-solving. Let's get started. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on OpenHub. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for Answer. Once you see Answer, hover over it and click on Deploy. Deploying this application will usually take approximately 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, wait for about 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Now click on Open App. Answer app is now running. Now, let's finish this installation setup. Here, choose your preferred language, then click on Next. Here, you will have three options to choose: MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQLite. For this demo, I'm going to go with SQLite. It's quick and easy to set up. Here, click on Next. Here, I'm going to keep it simple and name it Demo. Next, enter your email ID. You'll also see an option to make the project private, which means only logged-in members can access it. But for this demo, I'm going to keep it public, so anyone can check it out. Next, you can choose how to handle external content, based on your preference. This includes things like displaying images or embedding media from external websites. Now, fill in the admin details, your name, password, confirm the password, and enter your admin email address. Once done, click on Next to continue. Your site is now ready. Just click on Done to finish the setup. What you're seeing here is a sample question to help you get started. Now, let's log in using the admin email address and password you just set up. Once we are in, we'll go ahead and publish our first question. Now, click on the Create button at the top right corner to publish your first question. Now, add a title. For this demo, I'm just entering a random title. Next, add a description. I'll just type in some random text for now. Below that, you'll see the option to create tags. Since this is a new setup, there won't be any existing tags, so you'll need to create a new tag name and then post your question. Now, anyone who visits this website can log in and start contributing by posting their answers. That brings us to the end of this quick demo. Your Q&A platform is ready to go. And if you need any help setting it up, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.